Hey everyone, myself Pranshu Dumra. Today I'm here to demonstrate my task 4.3D, which is handling multiple interrupt sources along with a timer interrupt. Our main goal is to keep the system responsive while managing different inputs at the same time. Now, in this task, I will open the code. In this task, we have used SAMD timer interrupt library to create timer interrupts on Nano, which is basically based on SAMD21 microcontroller. The reason we need this library because the Nano uses a different library and different chip called SAMD21 and its timer system is not same as regular Arduino Uno. So the standard delay functions are not precise for real-time tasks as the clock require continuous checking inside the loop. Now this library allows us to set a timer interrupt, which means we can make Arduino do something automatically at fixed time interval without stopping the rest program. For example, we set a timer to trigger which carry a 1 second of delay each time it triggers. Arduino runs a small piece of code in the background, in our case, toggling LED 3 and reading the DHT sensor library 2 seconds. The advantage is that the timer runs independently, so while the timer is doing its job, the button and motion sensor, that is PIR sensor, can be still checked instantly. Now for the hardware setup. For the hardware, I have used a push button and the PIR motion sensor and DHT22 temperature and humidity sensor along with 3 LEDs as output. Now whatever the code is doing, the push button work as a manual toggle switch for LED 1. The PIR sensor detects human motion and LED 2 lights up when motion is detected. We also use a timer interrupt so that the DHT sensor values are updated periodically in the background. So this was my demonstration. Thank you so much. Now I will show you the real-time hardware setup and its output on the serial monitor. Let's move towards it.